everybody. Hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. If you're new, I'm Laura, Wyatt's white puppy dog. If you see a tan puppy dog, that's Zena. And if you see a kitty, that's Harvey. We're sure happy you're here. We hope you stick around for the long haul and hit that subscribe. That allows me to keep on creating content for you. Today I'm kicking off after the day, what I wore video. It is Sunday. It's a beautiful day, 76. The sun is shining. And it's been a really busy day. I am traveling this week, as I mentioned in my last outfit of the day, what I wore video. And it's been just a fun day getting organized. I am headed to a couple's baby shower. It's a fancy one at a country club, and it's an evening one on a Sunday evening. So we're not going to stay as late as it goes. However, we do want to make sure we stop and participate as long as we can. But I have to get out pretty early tomorrow morning to catch a flight for work. So for outfit of the day today, I am sharing the outfit I'm wearing to the shower. And I picked my Faraday set because I couldn't wait to wear this one. I felt like I needed an event. I didn't want to just wear it, which I could have, but just wear it for every day. So I was excited to be able to put it on for today. So this fun Faraday top and the matching maxi skirt. And then I put it on with Dolce Vita heels or sandals that I got in a JB Stylebox. The Faraday set came in a Trendsend. And for jewelry, I went with a necklace from White House Black Market, my gold hoops. I have a bracelet on that was my mom's, and a ring from Love AJ, I believe. Yeah, and that is my outfit today. All right, well, I hope your week starts off fabulous, and I'll be back tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Monday. I almost forgot what day it was. Totally forgot to film outfit of the day for you before I left the house. I had to leave super early in the morning to catch a flight. So it is the end of the day. I am completely worn out. But I did grab a picture for you of my outfit. So I'm going to put that up instead of doing live view of my full outfit. Sorry about that. I have on for today for my first travel day for work, because we did, I went with team members. We flew for the first day and had to go straight into meetings, and tomorrow is unbelievable back-to-back all-day meetings. But for today, I had on cut from the cloth denim that I actually got from Nordstrom. I have on a We the Free, Free People t-shirt. And then I had on that black blazer behind me there that was from White House Black Market. For shoes, they are Dolce Vita. And for jewelry, gold hoops. I have on a necklace, which I already took off, that I got from Evereve, a bracelet that was my mom's, and a Ana Luisa ring. And that is my outfit for today. So I hope you are doing fabulous, and I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Tuesday. Time for outfit of the day. And I realized yesterday when I shared my picture, I had taken these Dolce Vita shoes off by then because my feet were killing me. So I had on my Snow flip-flops in the picture, but this is what I wore all day leading up to dinner that night. So anyway, you didn't get to see the full outfit in the picture. Sorry. All right, so today, let's see. Major long day. I was up super early in the morning because it's 2 hours behind, but I'm still on Eastern time. So I've technically been up since 3 a.m., which would be, I guess, 5 a.m. back home. And so that's going to make it an even longer day. But for today, I have on a Loft top, paired it with Cabi denim, putting on my Tahari blazer that I got in a, where did I get this one? I think I got it in a, I think it was a Wantable. Anyway, Shoes, I'm going to put these on. These are Dolce Vita also. Got them in a Trendsend. For jewelry, I have on my Rocksbox necklace and bracelet, and then Love AJ earrings that my friend Lisa got for me. And I think that is my outfit for today. All right, I have got to get to it. Hope you're doing fabulous. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Wednesday, time for outfit of the day, and behind me out there is Guadalajara. So I've had a nice 3-day trip. We go back today, later tonight. I don't get home till really late, like midnight. Yeah, but it's been really nice. It's very nice here, and the people have been amazing. For outfit of the day today, I have on Citizens of Humanity denim, got from a Trendsend, a Michael Stars tee, also from a Trendsend. My jacket is an Ichi blazer from a Front Door Fashion. I have Splendid sandals on because I'm trying to go comfy while I'm here and not give myself any more blisters if I can help it. And then I have on my necklace from Nordstrom that you'll remember. Gold earrings. And then I have a couple bracelets on from my mom that you've seen before, and the same ring as yesterday. And that is my outfit for today. All right. Well, I hope you are doing fabulous, and I'll see you tomorrow. Hey, everybody. It is Thursday. I made it home. Hallelujah. It was a good trip, but it was so jam-packed. It was so busy. I didn't get home till almost midnight last night, and then up early for, more fun, more meetings, more fun. Yeah, Wyatt's here with me. He's happy to see me. Zena's sleeping. She's such a tired little one. My husband, I think she's starting to get a little forgetful in her old age. She's doing some odd things, but she still loves her treats and she loves her naps, so it's all good. But she's enjoying a nap right now. Let's see. And Harvey's outside the door. He didn't want to come in, but it's all good. Today is a beautiful, cloudless, blue sky day. It's a little cooler at 72. And I felt super casual today. So I put on a pair of Citizens denim I got from a Trendsend. I have on an Express tank and covered it up with a sweater also from a Trendsend. This one is by Sanctuary. Put on some fun shoes. These are Vince Camuto. Got them from Nordstrom. And let's see, for jewelry, I don't have much on. I just have on gold hoops and a Rocksbox ring. And that's it. That's my outfit. So how's everybody doing? It's almost the weekend. A long weekend. Labor Day weekend. My birthday weekend. I almost forgot. I can't believe it. Yes. So the trials and tribulations of life, I'm telling you. So excited about this weekend, hoping to get pool time in, and our pool filter is not working. Hasn't worked for almost a week now. So the pool is now starting to show the signs of a filter not working. So my husband's been desperately trying to figure out the issue. So we ordered a part, a very expensive part. Fingers crossed. That's the issue. We don't know yet. It just got delivered a second ago. So hopefully he'll have time to get it in, and that's the problem. Otherwise, I don't know. Maybe it's going to be closed early this year, and we can figure out what the heck is going on with the filter. Anyway, that's the status right now. Hope you're all doing fabulous, and we'll see you tomorrow. Hey, everybody. It's Friday. We did it. Friday of Labor Day weekend. Yes, we did it. Wyatt's chewing on a sweet potato fry. But we did it. We won't shake him up too much since he's eating, huh? Yeah, we won't do too much. Huh, Zana's still, what is she doing? I think she's done eating too. It is Friday. Ugh, it's been crazy, huh? The pool saga continues. The expensive part didn't work. The pool is not swimmable. So now it's not going to be a sad Labor Day weekend for us, huh? And it's supposed to be, I think it's supposed to get up to like 88 degrees. So, oh well, we'll figure it out hopefully, eventually. Today though, it's really cool this morning, 56 degrees. It's supposed to be a high of 78 today. And I have on, let's see, before I tell you my outfit, I have a Rocksbox. I haven't showed you a Rocksbox in a while because I haven't had time to even do Rocksbox. I kept two from my last set because I really liked it. So you might remember the pretty pearl bracelet and the ring that was silver and gold. I really liked both of those, so I kept them. Rocksbox is a jewelry rental subscription, which I so enjoy. $21 a month, and for that you get 3 pieces of jewelry. Basically, as frequently as you turn it around, it's all up to you as to how much you get. If you turn around quickly, you can get them all the time, because as soon as Rocksbox registers that you have returned your box or kept everything, they will immediately send you a new set. So it works pretty quickly. You can create a wish list, and many times you will get items from your wish list if they're available. Otherwise, you can, your stylist will pick pieces based on your preferences. Also, you get a preview, so you can swap pieces. If they picked pieces you didn't like, you can swap them as long as you catch that 24-hour preview window. You can also keep pieces if you choose to, and that $21 rental fee does go against the cost of any of the pieces you decide to keep. If you like all 3 pieces, you can drag that out for 3 months and use that $21 towards each piece. And if you keep all 3, there is a discount. I'll share my link down below for you. If you use my link, your first $21 is waived. All right, so right inside my box, here's what I see. You get a little care card. Tells you how to care for the jewelry that you received. And then you get your pouches. And you get a little pricing sheet for how much the jewelry costs. All right, so first up, bracelets. These are pretty. I did see these. I did catch the preview. I have 2 bracelets here. Look how pretty these are. One is a little bit thicker than the other, if you can see that. These are so pretty. These are called the, Leona Resin Bracelet Set in Gold and Multi by Perry Street. And they're $46 is the member price. Check those out. So pretty. I love the different colors. I'm going to want to keep those. Those are so pretty. And they go nicely with my bracelets that one of my amazing subscribers made for me. I love them. Okay. Next up, I think I have 2 rings. Yes. The rest are 2 rings. This one is the Alice Shell Wrap Ring, also by Perry Street, in gold, $42. Isn't that cute? I like that, the 2 shells meeting. That's so pretty. Okay, and my last one is by Aster. It's the Amaryllis Ring in Gold and Blue Stone Mix. I didn't swap anything. These were all actually chosen. I think they might have been on my wish list. This one is $55, so I just let it roll. This one's very colorful. They're pretty. You can see both. That one is very colorful. I'll show it to you by itself. Just not to distract. Very pretty. Yeah, I think both of these are very pretty. All right, that's everything. I'll put the information down below for you in case you would like to give either of these a try or give this subscription a try. I'll list the items I received in case you would like to check any of those out. All right, so my outfit today is a top by Cabi, and then my skirt is by Loft. You may remember from one of my hauls. Paired it with Dolce Vita sandals. I got at Nordstrom. Love these. And then I just put on my earrings that I got as a gift from Lisa that are Love AJ, and my Love AJ necklace. And that's my outfit today. All right, that is a wrap on Friday, and we'll be back tomorrow with one more outfit. Hey everybody, it is Saturday and time for final outfit of the day. We are off to a wedding. If you remember that casual wedding I mentioned in one of my videos, that's where we're headed. It is hot out today, so it's 83, feels like 90 because the sun is strong today with very few clouds in the sky. And it's an outside wedding for the ceremony, and then I think it does go inside after that. Just wife joining me. Cena's snoozing right now, and Harvey's in the basement with the whole couch to himself, which is his favorite thing. All right, so for our outfit of the day today, I have a Kane dress you might remember from my front door fashion, and I'm pairing it with a pop of color. Went with my, you saw these earlier this week, I think, my Vince Camuto orange sandals. Summer's not over yet for me. And then I'm actually thinking maybe I should have gone with pink, huh? But that's what I'm going with now. That's what I decided. And for jewelry, I just have on gold hoops and let's see, a bracelet of my mom's. I didn't put anything on as far as a necklace because it's going to be super, super hot. And I'm trying to minimize that as much as possible. That's my outfit. And that's the last one for this week. I will list all my outfits down below in case you would like to check them out. If I can link directly to an item, I will. Many come from boxes, so I'll put the links to the boxes also. I can't wait to hear what your favorite was, so please do comment. Hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed bringing it to you. Sorry, it's been a little while since I was able to bring you any videos. I'm probably going to have to slow down a bit, so you are probably going to see maybe some inconsistency and some less videos here in the coming weeks while I try to regroup and see how I'm going to be able to handle this going forward. Thank you for the understanding and patience. So many awesome, supportive, understanding, kind comments from my last video, and I really, truly appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. All right, guys. Thanks so much, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.